Hello, everybody. On time or in time? People usually confuse these two things, but the difference is very simple. So, first of all, in time, when we manage to be somewhere to do something before it is too late, like you see in the example, thank goodness I'm in time. I thought you might have already left. So, she is just in time before they have left without her. The doctor arrived just in time before it is too late. We were in time to catch the last train home. So the last train home brought them home. It is never too late. And now let's see the situation when everything as it was planned, everything as it was arranged, everything is according to schedule, according to the plans. So it is on time. On time. The flight left on time, as it was pre-scheduled, as it was planned. She was on time for her meeting. It started at 9 a.m. and she arrived at 9 a.m. or even earlier. So everything is according to the plan. So, in time, when we squeeze into time before it is too late, on time, when we are exactly at the correct place at the correct time as it was planned. I hope this video was helpful and I hope to see you again at my channel. Don't forget to subscribe.